Prepositions of time. On. On. We use on to talk about days of the week. We also use on to talk about days of a month. We use on to talk about days of the week. Examples. Let's meet on Monday. I am going to church on Saturday. If you like, let's watch that movie on Sunday. We use on when we talk about days of a month. Examples. My birthday is on 7th of January. I should be there on 25th of December. I have my tennis competition on 5th of August. In. In. We use in to talk about years, months, weeks, seasons of the year, and finally parts of the day. Examples. He was born in 2010. She got married in 2015. I will be studying science in the next year. Examples. Will you celebrate your birthday in April? She will get married in February. You will receive your exam results in the next month. Examples. I am going to get my hair trimmed in the next week. We are arranging a party in the second week of August to celebrate your victory. Examples. In the winter we have a very cold weather. We are planning to go on a trip to New York in the summer. In the spring the flowers blossom. Examples. What do you normally like to eat in the morning? I like to read a book in the night before going to sleep. I usually take a nap in the afternoon. At. At. We use it to talk about a specific time period of the day, a specific clock time, or a specific time of the day. Examples. Let's talk about that problem at lunchtime. The family members were talking with each other at dinner. Examples. Meet me at 2 p.m. I have to get on the flight at 8 a.m. He goes to school at 8:30 a.m. Examples. Let's go to a restaurant at night. I will sleep at night. By. By. We use by to talk about an end time. Examples. You should return the book by this Friday. The inflation will decrease by 2023. You should be at the airport by 2 p.m. Now let's complete a quiz to understand these prepositions better. Question number 1. The competition will begin blank 10 a.m. The competition will begin at 10 a.m. Question number 2. You should return the book blank tomorrow. You should return the book by tomorrow. Question number 3. I am intending to go abroad blank September. I am intending to go abroad in September. Question number 4. I will celebrate my birthday blank Monday. I will celebrate my birthday on Monday. Question number 5. The flowers blossom blank the spring. The flowers blossom in the spring. Question number 6. She was born blank 1992. She was born in 1992. Question number 7. Your problems will be over blank the next year. Your problems will be over in the next year. Question number 8. You will receive your exam results blank 12th of September. You will receive your exam results on 12th of September. Question number 9. Let's watch a movie blank night. Let's watch a movie at night. Question number 10. Let's talk about that blank dinner. Let's talk about that at dinner. If this was a valuable lesson, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks.